Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest and in-depth beauty reviews. Today, we're talking about a product designed to help you achieve fuller, thicker hair, the Nioxin Scalp Hair Thickening System Kits. Whether your hair is natural, colored, or damaged with light to progress thinning, this system promises to boost your hair's density and overall health. But does it really live up to the claims? Let's dive into the details. Nioxin is a brand that's known for its focus on scalp health and hair density, and this particular system is formulated to address thinning hair. The kit includes a 3-step treatment system with a shampoo, conditioner, and scalp treatment, all of which are designed to work together to create an environment for healthier, thicker hair growth. The star ingredients here include niacinamide and biotin, both known for supporting hair strength and boosting overall density. The formula is unscented, which makes it a great option for those sensitive to fragrances. In terms of texture, the product is cream-based and feels lightweight on the scalp. It's easy to incorporate into your routine. Just shampoo, condition, and apply the scalp treatment for the best results. I tested the system for a month, using it consistently as part of my routine. The first thing I noticed was how refreshing the scalp treatment felt. It wasn't greasy, and my scalp didn't feel weighed down. I also loved how my hair felt after rinsing out the shampoo. It wasn't stripped or dry, just clean and nourished. After using this system for a few weeks, I definitely noticed my hair felt thicker and looked fuller. The biotin and niacinamide seemed to be doing their job in boosting my hair's overall density. My hair didn't feel as limp or thin, and there was a noticeable improvement in volume. I would say the real-world benefit of this product is its ability to maintain the health of the scalp while addressing thinning hair, especially in areas where you might have noticed more pronounced hair loss. That said, it wasn't a miracle worker. While the thickening effects were definitely there, they didn't work overnight. It takes consistent use, and you need to set your expectations accordingly. This isn't going to reverse hair thinning in just a couple of weeks. If you're looking for something with faster results, this might not be the system for you. But if you're in it for the long haul and committed to a hair care routine that supports your scalp and hair health, this is a good addition. Pros? It definitely does what it promises in terms of helping with thinning hair and boosting density. The ingredients are scientifically backed, and I really like that it's unscented. No overpowering fragrance here. Plus, the scalp treatment feels cooling and soothing. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons. First, the price. It's definitely on the higher end of the spectrum for hair care systems. Additionally, for those expecting instant results, it might feel like it takes a little longer to see noticeable changes. If you're someone who wants immediate thickening, you may feel a bit frustrated at first. When it comes to value for money, this is where things get tricky. On one hand, it's not the cheapest option out there, but considering it's a full system and includes ingredients that are known to help with hair health, I would say it's worth the investment, especially if thinning hair is a concern for you. However, if you're on a budget, there are more affordable options that may provide similar results, albeit with a slightly less advanced formulation. Now, in comparison to other products in the same category, Nioxin stands out due to its specialized system. While many brands offer shampoos that claim to boost thickness, Nioxin's targeted 3-step approach with a scalp treatment adds an extra layer of care. In my experience, other products may focus more on styling or temporary volumizing effects, while Nioxin goes deeper into scalp health, which is critical for long-term hair growth. Build quality? No complaints here. The packaging is sturdy, and the pump dispensers make it easy to apply the right amount of product without waste. I've used it for a month, and the products are still going strong. If you're someone who doesn't mind paying a little more for a reputable brand with scientifically backed ingredients, Nioxin could be a good investment. But if you're looking for something a bit less pricey, there are alternatives like Viviscal or Keranique that also cater to thinning hair. To wrap things up, Nioxin's Scalp plus Hair Thickening System Kits definitely delivered results for me. I can confidently say that it's an effective option for boosting hair density over time. However, Patience is key, and while it's a great investment for long-term scalp health, the price may be a factor for some. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click the bell icon so you can stay updated on all our honest reviews. Your support means everything. And as always, thank you for watching. If you've tried Nioxin or any other hair thickening treatments, drop a comment below and let us know how they work for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.